Hi, my name is Nick. I'm a trainee professional Japanese teacher. So this is part 4 session of learning 170 kanji challenge. So if you missed the previous video, there's a link in the description below. Alright, let's just dive in. Here we go. Alright, so today's first kanji, make or create. First, we're gonna make the radical of 님, then, sweep, across, pull down, across. Alright, and the next one is alternative or change. The radical of 님, then, across, sweep, jump, then, stamp. Okay. Alright, the next one is use. We're gonna make the radical of 님, then, across, pull down, across, don't really spin and pull down and close this square, then, sweep. Alright. The next one is thing or another use. Sweep, pull down, across, don't really spin and pull down and jump, then across, pull down. Alright. Alright, so you know these three kanjis have the same radical, which is the nimben, right? But this is one, and this one is the whole kanji is the radical. This is called yobu. Okay, and the difference between this use and this use. Alright, so those are basically the same meaning, but this use is more of like commonly used in daily life. You know, for example, 使う, we do 使う something, right? For example, I'm using my iPhone to shoot this video. I'm 使う my iPhone, right? And this 使用 it's more of like a written form. So if you want to say I use my iPhone in the written form, okay? So 私はiPhone を使用する. Okay, it's formal and written language. Okay, and this 用いる, this one is also means use, right? So difference between these are more of like, this is also written form, written language, and this is too formal. Okay, so we commonly use 使用 as a written language, but if you wanna be more formal, you can say 用いる. Okay, so this one alternative plus the use. Okay, so if you want to use something but you can't use that, so instead of using that, you choose to use something other thing, you know. So which means alternative and use, right? So if you want to use the thing A, but you can't use this thing A, so you use this thing B as the thing A. You are using this thing B as a alternative thing, right? So well, we say that 代用. Okay. Alright, the next kanji, land or ground. We're gonna make the radical of 土辺, then across, don't really spin and pull down and jump, then pull down, jump, then like this and jump at the end. Okay. And the next one is destination. The pull down, across, pull, don't really spin and jump, then sweep. All right. And the next one is dedicate or work. The radical of 님, then pull down, across, pull down. Okay. You have to make the bottom line shorter than the top line. Okay. And And the next one is place. We're gonna make the radical of tsuchihen, then kanji of the sun, then sweep across the listpan and going to the bottom, the jump, then sweep, sweep. All right. Okay, so you are already guessing the radical of this kanji because I didn't tell you, but this whole kanji is the radical, and this is called hobu. Okay, and the example words on this one, shigoto ba. We learned this the kanji in the middle, right? The koto. Combining those kanji makes work. Okay, so and work plus the place means workplace. It's easy guessing, right? And this one, chiho, combining those kanji, chiho means countryside. So what do I mean? So land or ground, destination, that doesn't make any sense, right? But you go to somewhere outside of the land, you are going to the countryside. You know what I'm saying? Like it's outside of the city. It's far away of the city, right? So it's countryside. We use this a lot. Okay, so for example, I can say 地方から来ました. You know, 地方から来ました means I came from the countryside. You know what I'm saying? It's you don't specifically mention where exactly you are coming from, but you are saying countryside. Okay. Okay. Today's last 4 kanji. The first, will. Pull down across, stamp, sweep across, and the kanji of the sun, then the kanji of the heart. Okay. Okay, the next one is mind or think. Pull down across the relative and pull down across, pull down, then the radical of shimbu. This one is also the same, shimbu. It's kokoro, heart. Okay. Okay, the next one is another think. So we're the kanji of soil, then sweep like this. This is the radical of oikanmuri, okay? Then across, pull down, don't release the pen and go to the right and still not to release the pen and going to the bottom and jump. Okay? It's a little difficult, but this is the kanji of think, okay? And then lastly, no. We're gonna make the radical of yahen, then the kanji of mouth. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna learn how to write those kanji one more time because this is difficult, right? So first this one, this kanji made from 3 parts. Okay, so first the kanji of stand up, then kanji of the sun, then the radical shimbu. Okay, this one is also the same. The kanji of tambo, then combining with the radical of shimbu. Okay, and this one is a problem. Okay, so oikanmuri. All right, then this part, 2 strokes. Okay, so across, starting from here, going bottom, then going to the right, then going to the bottom, and by writing a little curve, then jump. Okay, this is difficult. Okay, so one more time. Across, pull down, go to the right, go to the bottom, jump. All right. Okay, and this one is easy, right? So yeah, him, all right, bow and arrow, then mouth. Okay, so the difference between this thing and this thing, this kanji has this radical, okay, shimbu, it means heart. So you think something with your heart. And this one, 考える, this thing, you use your brain to think something. For example, you guess something or you assume something, right? That's the thing. Okay. So these kanji, combining these kanji makes ishi, will. So will, think. For example, if you are willing to do something, you are thinking something to do that, right? That relates to your heart. You are thinking from your heart because you want to do that something. Okay, so you are willing to do something. If you are willing to do something, you say 意志がある. I want to do that. I will do that. Okay, and this think, you just think. For example, I'm thinking about something. I'm imagining something in my brain. That's the thing. So this kanji, know. You know something. I know something. That's the know. Okay, and combining those kanji, acknowledge and know, makes a word knowledge. 知識, right? You are absorbing knowledge from these lessons, right? You are learning the kanji knowledges from this lesson, So you have kanji 知識, right? Alright, now you've just mastered 48 of 170 kanji, and here's the question of the day. あなたは仕事で日本語を使いますか? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. ありがとう.